In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Access. If you've been looking for a safe, official way to get access on your PC, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish, with options that fit different needs and budgets. The recommended way is through Microsoft 365, because Access isn't offered as a separate download in most cases. It's included with Microsoft 365 for Windows. To get it, head to the official Microsoft Office website in your browser. Sign in to your Microsoft account so the site can connect your license to your device. Then select Install Office. Your browser will download the small installer file. Open it and follow the on-screen setup prompts. The installer will handle everything in the background and bring down the full Office apps. When it's done, Access will be included automatically if your Microsoft 365 plan supports it. This is the smoothest path for most users. A quick tip: make sure you're on an official Microsoft site before downloading anything, and remember that Access only runs on Windows. It isn't available for Mac OS or as a web app. If you just want to test Access before paying, there's also a free 30-day Microsoft 365 trial. It includes the full version of Access, so you can fully evaluate features, performance, and compatibility with your databases. The installation process is the same. Sign in on the official site, choose the trial, download the installer, and follow the setup steps. Keep in mind this is time-limited. After the trial ends, a subscription is required to keep using Access. Prefer a one-time purchase instead of a subscription? You can buy a standalone version such as Microsoft Access 2021 or 2024. After purchasing from Microsoft or an authorized retailer, you'll receive a product key. Download the official installer, run it, and enter the key when prompted to activate. This route is ideal if you specifically need Access and don't want ongoing subscription costs. Before we wrap up, a few important notes. There's no official free full version of Access outside of the trial, and there's no web or online version. Access works on Windows PCs only. Be cautious with any site offering a free download of the full version. Those are often unsafe and can include malware. Sticking to Microsoft's official channels ensures you get genuine, up-to-date software with security updates. That's it. Choose the method that fits you best. Use the official Microsoft site, and you'll have Access installed safely and correctly.